In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cookies in Chrome. It's a simple process that can help improve your browsing experience and safeguard your privacy, and we'll cover it in just a few minutes. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Google Chrome on your computer. Chrome is represented by a colorful circle icon, typically found on your desktop or in your applications folder. If you don't have it open already, take a moment to launch it. Once you have Chrome open, you should see a window with your home page or the last page you visited. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Chrome window. You'll see three vertical dots, which is a button that contains a drop-down menu for more options. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This action will reveal a menu with several options. From here, hover over or click the Settings option, which directs you to a new tab or window in Chrome dedicated to configuring your browsing settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, look to the left-hand side where you will find a panel with a variety of options. Among these, locate and click on Privacy and Security. This section is dedicated to everything from cookies to form data, essentially the nuts and bolts of how your browsing data is managed and protected. After clicking Privacy and Security, turn your attention to the main content of the page. You'll want to find an option labeled Delete Browsing Data. Click on this option and a new dialog box or pop-up will appear. This is the window where you can decide exactly what data you want to clear from your browsing history. In this new pop-up, you have a few options to consider. First, you'll need to select the time range for which you want to clear the data. This could be anywhere from the last hour to all data stored since you began using Chrome. After choosing the desired time range, make sure to check the box next to cookies and other site data. This is important because it specifies that you want to clear cookies, which are bits of data that websites use to remember your preferences and login details. Once you've selected the appropriate time range and made sure that cookies and other site data is checked, you're ready to proceed. Look for the button, usually labeled Clear Data, at the bottom of the pop-up. Click it, and in a few moments, Chrome will erase all the cookies stored in your specified time range. And that's it! By following these steps, you've successfully cleared cookies in Chrome. Doing so can often speed up your browser and safeguard your personal information. Thank you for watching, and have a great day browsing securely.